Are you tired of losing rankings because of broken links? Learn how to find every broken link on your site in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to run a free SEO audit in Semrush, then navigate the settings to uncover all broken links. Let's dive in. Start by going to the SEO Audit tool and run a free audit of your website. Then, click on the highlighted area to proceed. Now click on Start SEO Audit to begin the setup. Type in the highlighted field to enter your domain. Click on General Settings to open the configuration options. Then go to Crawler Settings. Now click on Allow/Disallow rules to set up crawling permissions. Next, click on URL Parameter Rules to manage how parameters are handled. Then click on Restrictions to bypass to set any exceptions. Finally, click on General to return to the main settings. Once everything is set, click on Start Audit to kick off the process. That's it! You're all set to find broken links. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.